Hey, good afternoon. My name is Ashley. So I want to go over a couple of things here. I want to talk about some services that we offer and talk about what you could be looking for and so on. So to start, I went and Googled power washing companies, Oley, Pennsylvania, and this area right here is what's called the Map Pack. And the top two listed here are the ones that should be receiving a lot of work because they're super easy to find and it's listed right away. And I see you're already in the top two, so that's a great start. Great start. And the way you keep yourself into these top two is by first having a Google business profile. Second is filling it out as much as possible with the name, the hours, the phone number, photos, just making sure everything's filled out. And third is putting your business name, address, and phone number into as many online directories as possible. And directories are things like Yelp and Yellow Pages. And having your information in those online directories are really going to help power that profile. And the websites listed below here, these are what's called the organic search, and the same things apply. You want to be on the front page and ideally within the top 2 to 3 so people can find you. So I pulled up your website and took a look at it. It looks fantastic, from the jump. And so the main thing that you want to do with the website is you want to have about 1,500 to 2,000 words on the homepage primarily, and this is for a couple of reasons. And the first reason being is that if your competitors will have, say, 1,000 words on their homepage, then you're going to want to have at least 1,500 words because you want to beat out how much content your competitor has. And the second reason is that Google has what we call crawlers that go through, they read the content of the website and try and figure out what services your business offers, what areas you serve, and the more content that there is on the website, the more of an expert you're going to look like in Google's eyes. And then within the content, you want to have keywords. And keywords are things that people are searching for. So for example, how I Googled power washing companies, Oley, Pennsylvania. If you have that all over your website, it's going to become really relevant for that search. And Google's going to be more willing to put your website higher to the top. So when you look at your website, it's really important to make sure that there's enough content on here, the keywords throughout. That's really going to help this website rank. And I want to take a look at why one of the competitors in the area is ranking. And I have a paid program that I use, and I put them in there just to kind of see what you're up against. So the one thing I also wanted to go over was the UR and the DR ratings, because these are super important where you fall in the Google search results. And a UR rating is essentially a trust rating with Google, and a DR rating is a power rating with Google. And so these numbers are looking at the overall site, how powerful it is, how trustworthy it is, and the higher up they are, the more powerful the site is, and the better it's going to rank in the search results. And one of the ways that you can increase these numbers is through what's called a backlink. And all a backlink is just a shout out from another website that is endorsing you, and they're sending a link back to your site through a clickable text. And we can click on the ones that they have. We can go through those, get those for your website, and then get additional ones as well. And so lastly, and most importantly, I want to talk about the organic keywords and the content that I mentioned before. So just kind of going through what peer pressure cleaning, what they're being found for. We want to pay attention to the volume column because that's going to tell us what people are searching for in a month, regards to their company. So pressure washing, Reading, Pennsylvania, 20 people look for that. Professional power washing services, Lebanon, 30 people look for that. Pressure washing, Lebanon, 20 people look for that. So just, different areas and things like that. House washing, Pennsylvania, Lancaster, 10 people, gutter cleaning, deck cleaning, so power washing, Lancaster. So those types of things, deck cleaning, Lehigh Valley, that type of thing is what people are searching for, that they're being found for. So it just kind of gives you an idea of the keyword situation, but it's really important to get in front of these people. And if you get in front of more people that are searching for those specific terms, the more people are going to find you, and then the more people are going to call you, and then the more business you're going to get. So I hope this information was helpful, and I look forward to speaking with you and discussing opportunities. So take care and have a great rest of your day.